Installing accessory racks. Align the accessory bayonet with the slot position. Just tighten it. The remaining accessory racks can be installed using the same method. Installation of accessory rack completed. Small bubble cleaning handle, effect on opening skin pores. Softening keratin, deeper cleansing of the skin. Improve skin dullness and blackheads. Keep the skin clean, translucent, and white. Equipped with a board of water grinding head accessories. Soft rubber head, frosted hard head, hard rubber head, cleaning head. Align the handle wiring with the instrument hole position. Insert. Place the handle in the accessory rack. Oxygen injection gun, equipped with connecting pipes. Inject various nutrients into the deep layers of the skin through atomization. Moisturize the skin. Align and tighten the hole position. Placing accessory racks. Diamond microcarving, a non-invasive, physical shallow abrasion, assist in skin stratum corneum metabolism, clean acne, and blackheads. Accessories come with diamond micro-carved heads and filter cotton sheets. Align and tighten the handle interface. Placing accessory racks. Shovel vibration knife, high-frequency vibration radio waves, soften skin keratin, deeply cleanse dirt and aged keratin from the skin. Align and tighten the handle interface. Placing accessory racks. Dipole temperature wave technology, firming and elevating the skin, stimulating collagen regeneration. Align and tighten the handle interface. Placing accessory racks. Nanol import, single crystal silicon chips act on different layers of the skin, enhance the penetration of the product, and effectively improve the skin, solve skin absorption and effectiveness issues. Be painless and non-invasive. Accessory replacement guide. Align and insert the handle interface. Placing accessory racks. Colorful face mask, deep stimulation of elastic fibers in the dermis using the dynamic response of light. Using different wavelengths for the treatment and repair of damaged tissues. Increase cell vitality and promote absorption. Wiring insertion into mask socket. Align the mask accessory line and insert it tightly. Place the mask on the rear platform. Mibin pen, ionic carbonization for the treatment of high-frequency fever at the tip of the scalp needle. High-density energy acts on the deep tissues of the skin. Achieve the effect of removing moles. Align and tighten the handle interface. Placing accessory racks. 5-pole enhancement, deep stimulation of elastic fibers in the dermis, activating deep cells. Quickly enhance skin cell vitality and metabolism. Promote the regeneration of collagen and elastin, thus achieving the effect of enhancing skin elasticity and tightening the skin. Align and tighten the handle interface. Placing accessory racks. Face elevation, deep stimulation of elastic fibers in the dermis, activating deep cells. Quickly enhance skin cell vitality and metabolism. Promote the regeneration of collagen and elastin, thus achieving the effect of enhancing skin elasticity and tightening the skin. Align and tighten the handle interface. Placing accessory racks. Cold superconducting technology, shrink pores, calm and repair damaged skin, eliminating redness, swelling, and sensitivity effects. Align and tighten the handle interface. Placing accessory racks. Flathead vibration atomization, for facial operation with facial essence, Vibration frequency of 1 to 4 million times per minute, transferred to the skin, absorbed and converted into heat by the epidermis, dermis, and subcutaneous tissues. Make the absorption rate of the product reach over 90%. Align and tighten the handle interface. Placing accessory racks. Sharp vibration atomization. For eye operation, with eye essence, vibration frequency of 1 to 4 million times per minute, transferred to the skin, absorbed and converted into heat by the epidermis, dermis, and subcutaneous tissues. Make the absorption rate of the product reach over 90%. Align and tighten the handle interface. Placing accessory racks. Roller speed lifting. Deep stimulation of elastic fibers in the dermis. Activate deep cells and rapidly enhance skin cell vitality. Enhance elasticity and tighten the skin. Align and tighten the handle interface. Placing accessory racks. Ozone ion. Combination of plasma technology and ozone technology. Using plasma penetration to improve sensitive skin while generating high-frequency voltage. The electrolysis of oxygen in the air produces ozone, which plays an anti-inflammatory and bactericidal role, effectively improving sensitive and acne-prone skin. Align and tighten the handle interface. Placing accessory racks. Radiant oxygen bubbles. After product combination, a large amount of carbon dioxide bubbles are generated on the skin. A large amount of oxygen supply environment is formed inside the skin tissue. Gently remove aged keratin and dead skin. Activate cells to enhance nutrient absorption. Injecting nursing product ingredients into deep layers of the skin. Align and tighten the handle interface. Placing accessory racks. High-frequency wave. High-frequency electric sparks can ionize oxygen in the air, generate various reactive oxygen species, and free radical, including ozone. These active substances can be combined with high-frequency currents to penetrate deep into the skin and muscle for the effect of anti-inflammatory, bactericidal, pore unblocking, and promoting healing. Equipped with 3 types of guide heads. Align and tighten the handle interface. Align insertion. Placing accessory racks. Installation of wastewater bottles. Align insertion. Installing filters. On the right is a diamond carving. Align and insert the diamond carving filter. On the left is the water polishing pen filter. Align insertion. Original liquid bottle A. Deep cleaning essence. Original solution bottle B. Moisturizing essence. Moisturizing essence. Original liquid bottle C. Moisturizing essence. Original liquid D bottle. Clean pipeline. Small bubble water bottle selection A, B, C, D bottle. Choose as needed. Water quantity selection. Twist upwards to increase water volume. Twist downwards to reduce water volume. Small bubble suction selection. Twist upwards to reduce suction. Twist downwards to increase suction force. Choose as needed. Selection of suction force for diamond carving handle. Twist upwards to reduce suction. Twist downwards to increase suction force. Choose suction force size as needed. Wipe and clean the face with a facial towel before operation. Small bubble cleaning. Click on the screen. Click to start. Small bubble operation. Tap and click operation. Clean blackheads. Diamond micro carving. Click on the diamond micro sculpture interface. Click to start. Diamond micro carving is mainly used to create T-shaped parts. Diamond micro carving for oily mixed skin. Diamond micro carving for oily mixed skin. not recommended for sensitive and neutral skin. 缠正刀手柄，工作强度建议5档起掉。点击启动。使用点产阵前，可以先湿敷热喷，或者用水分子水杨笔均匀喷洒，保证皮肤湿润。点产阵往上提升，轻点按压。High frequency wave. High frequency wave function for facial acne removal. Now it is in a closed state. Point to maximum open. Choose energy size as needed. Clear the area with acne first. After cleaning, operate on the sterilization and anti-inflammatory treatment of acne. Lightly touch the acne-prone area. Water oxygen gun. The water oxygen gun function is installed into the product. Click on the water oxygen function. Click to start. Spray evenly upwards according to facial contours. Spray evenly upwards according to facial contours. Depot temperature wave technology. Click on the bipolar temperature wave function. Click on the bipolar temperature wave function. Click to start. Apply essence before eye operation. Facial circle operation. Operate while touching.滚轮速提技术，点击4级滚动功能。能量建议3档起掉。点击启动。面部操作前先涂抹精华。手柄操作往上提拉。着重在下颌线部位。T 字部位上下滚动。5-pole boosting technology suggests starting the second gear adjustment for work energy. RGB light adjustment can be selected as needed. Select red light. Click to start. Press the contour line to lift upwards. With face lifting technology, energy recommendation for 3-gear starting adjustment. Click to start. Improve the main contour line parts. Radiant oxygen bubbles. Starting from the first level of work intensity adjustment, select massage. Click to start. Tight skin circular operation. Circle and pull upwards. Forehead circle operation. Sharp vibration atomization. Suggested starting adjustment for 6 levels of work intensity. Click to start. Circling operation around the eye area. Flathead vibration atomization. Suggested starting adjustment for 6 levels of work intensity. Click to start. Circle operation. Cold superconducting technology. Click on the cold superconducting interface. Click to start. Circle up operation. Arc up pulling operation. Ozone ion. Click on the ozone ion interface. Suggested starting adjustment for strength in 5th gear. Click to start. Part used for acne. Plays an anti-inflammatory and bactericidal role. Continuous point pull operation. Meiban pen. Click on the Meiban pen interface. Suggest starting the 4th gear adjustment. Click to start. Targeted at the site of skin moles. Light operation. Nano import. Click on the Nano controller interface. Click to start. Long press the power button after startup. The gear position is adjusted according to the customer's skin condition. The depth adjustment for each scale is 0.5. The scale range is 0.5 to 2.5. Adjust the length of the crystal head as needed. Apply essence first. Circle operation. Forehead operation. Lighting masks. Select the mask feature. Click to start. When using a face shield, we need to cover our eyes with blindfolds, or use a face towel to cover your eyes. Click to start time adjustment. Adjust the time as needed. Choose the light source according to your needs. Apply facial mask after operation. After applying the facial mask, clean the face with water or normal saline.